Orgasm Park. Cheers to the sunset.
It's me, it's Jeremy. So, on today's episode of Bakasyon Itsta, isang sobrang heartfelt puntahan ko kasi matagal ko nang pinapangarap na puntahan tong islang to. Alam niyo naman na sobra akong island boy, mahilig ako sa dagat. And ito na siguro yung pinakarurok na pag napuntahan ko to, sabi ko, okay na ako. Parang feeling ko napuntahan ko na rin yung 7,000 plus islands sa isang isla na yun. Dahil ito talaga yung pinakamagandang isla, in my opinion. So, kahit di ko pa napupuntahan, alam ko yun na yun. So tara, samahan niyo.
Baba na tayo guys. So, i-disinfect daw yung mga bags. So, ayan. Okay. Meron silang waiver when you arrive. And then checklist of course kung meron kang hindi naman naging. So, submit na tayo na mag-BP tayo, no? Yeah. So, mandatory talaga itong medical check-up upon arrival dito.
Okay, so siguro na-expect ko pagdating doon. Tulad ng mga naririnig ko. Kasi alam nyo, bago pa nauso yung mga temperature check nung nagka-pandemic, di ba? Mayat maya temperature check yung binabaril kang ganun. Ang mga naririnig akong kwento, kapag nasa dagat ka raw, nagpapaaraw ka, meron sila yung long range na temperature check pang sukat ng body temp mo. Tapos kapag medyo mainit ka na, merong lalapit sa'yo na na mag-aabot ng towel, ng cold towel. Ganun yung service nila dito. Pero alam mo, iba yung excitement ko dito sa Manpul. Sinabi ko na.
On and face shield on.
My name is Iwam, the Director of Experiences. You're going to be in very good hands with Ivan. Thank you. He's going to take care of you. We're going to start with a small tour so you can explore, discover, and experience the whole island. Okay?
Okay.
After the station, let us know. The full family is here to take care of you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, naintindihan niyo yun? Oh. Ganon.
So while in Manila, you might be able to see some stray cats and dogs all around, but here it's gonna be the monitor lizards.
Monitor lizard!
Yes.
Yeah! Bayawak,
So the
bayawak.
bayawaks po here can grow up to 2 meters long, so they're kind of big. And if you can notice, the roads are not really that paved since we keep the island as natural as possible. So that's the main beauty of this island.
So, ito yung spa. Okay. Wow.
So ito yung view nila from the spa. 360 ba? 180 na panoramic. Basta 180 na lang, para sure. 180.
Wow!
Ganda. Parang sa view pa lang relax ka na kahit hindi ka nang pumassage. Kasi pag nalaman mo yung presyo, parang makakanggal yung parang may inis ka, hindi ka marelax. Sabi ko.
So guys, ito naman yung kanilang gym. Silip lang tayo sa ito. Parang gym pa lang, ganda na ng view eh.
Wow!
Tapos sa baba daw may steam room and
merong cold na plunge pool. Para kung sore yung muscles mo, mawala siya. Grabe na kung ganito yung gym. Paglabas mo parang forest agad. Boy, I wanna live here. Kaso mahal. So, we're here in our casita. Casita number 7. Beach casita. So, it's just 10 or ilan?
10 to 15 steps away from your casita will be your beachfront already.
Alright, yun kalapit.
And I'll show you your casita. So, our casitas actually start in the Bahay Kubo or the Nipa Huts. Designed by architect Bobby Manyosa, our national architect. Si Bobby Manyosa. Close kami. Alright, so here po, if you can notice, this has been sealed. So your casita has been cleaned, sanitized, and disinfected by UVC light. And it has been sealed po to assure that no one came in after the disinfection.
Room tour tayo, guys. Let's go inside. And so, it's the bedroom. Ayan, you have this. So, sinulat na nila, kapag guest assistant, press 2. Okay, TV. Tapos, pasok tayo dito sa banyo. And this is the banyo, guys. Look at that. Ayan, so yun yung tub. Ito yung ano. Anong ginagawa ko dyan? And the toilet is here. Kahit toilet, parang pwede na akong tumira dito eh. Oh. Banyo pa lang may view na. Oh, nasasara yung ano. Para hindi sumilip yung mga bayawak. Tapos, ito yung bathtub. Yung parang ano, para siyang, anong tawag dyan? Stand alone. Tapos ito yung shower. Our bags are here. Ayan. Shower. Handa, medyo mainit na, hubarin na natin to. Actually, maghubad na tayo. Palit na tayo agad. Na-excite ako. Pero, puntahan muna natin yung yung labas. Ako magdadrive. Let's do this. Dito ba? Sure, ha? Second time ko palang mag-drive ng Caddy, ng club car. Bilisan natin, pwede naman. So, to park, apaka mo lang yung park, and then we're here at the clubhouse. Look at this. So, this is the clubhouse. So, you have 3 areas basically. You have the clubhouse, the lagoon, and the beach club. Nasa clubhouse tayo ngayon. Dito rin sila nagsiserve ng Pinoy food. So kung nag-crave ka ng Pinoy breakfast, dito ka pupunta. So we are leaving the clubhouse. Thank you. And we're going back to our villa. I forgot ko anong golf caddy namin, kung anong club car namin. But malalaman ko yun sa itsura ng tuwalya. Anyway, mag-uwi lang tayo. Uwi lang. Bahay. Balik lang tayo ng natin, ng beach kasita natin, and then magbibihis lang tayo, ready for sunset. Okay, so nakalag pala. So punta na tayo sa beach. So from our kasita, we go barefoot to the beach. Cross the deserts for miles, swam water for time, searching places to find. Kinanta. Kasi may rights eh. So pagka-exit mo dyan sa kasita mo, you have 2 tanning beds. That's my camera. The water so clear.
Day 2, guys. Here naman pala. And kung narinig ko yung mga ibon, ayun yung gumigising sa'yo dito. Hindi tilaok ng manok. Good morning. Let's start our day 2.
Okay, so first thing we'll do pagkagising, silip muna tayo sa dagat. Tignan natin kung ano ba yung nag-iingay ng mga ibon na yan. Anyway, ayun, narinig nyo? It's almost, well, it's 8:30 I think. 9 AM dadating yung breakfast, so babalik tayo sa room. Magpaaraw lang tayo saglit. So do a quick walkthrough from the casita to the shore. And they change towels every day. So, good morning. Malapit na tayo sa beach club, Amanpulo Beach Club, and before we head back, try natin mag-snorkel. So hinahanap ni Kuya Peter ngayon kung nasan banda yung green sea turtles natin. Ano pangalan ulit ng isang turtle?
Si Micaela po.
Si Micaela. Parang Ninja Turtle ginawa niya lang babae. Tama?
Babae sila eh.
Parang Ninja Turtle na ginawang babae. Wala pa. Beach Club, and one for the books na makalangoy kasabay ng ng isang green sea turtle. Nung nasa Hawaii ako, yun yung isa sa mga frustration ko kasi naka-phone lang ako na nakabalot sa plastic, so hindi ko nakakunan underwater. So I'm so happy na makasama ko siya lumangoy, makasabay ko siya lumangoy kahit sandali lang. Naubusan ako agad ng hininga. Ayan, that's nice. So ang laki niya. That was either Rafaela or Micaela. Ninja Turtle eh, no?
Hindi pa ako nakaka-experience ng actual snowfall. Wala na tayo ng sunball.
Swim with turtles, and nag-sunset tayo saglit. Ngayon, mag-dinner, massage tayo, tapos dinner. Sa lagoon. Okay, so here. Hello. Okay, warm pillow. Ay, ang sarap, ate. Grabe. Yung isa dyan hindi pa nagsistart yung massage. Oh, tulog na.
Tori Karaagi.
Okay, so since there will be contact, meron silang, physical contact, meron silang ganun. Fill upan mo yung spa registration form nila. So, ayan. So, yung mga highlight ko na gusto kong bigyan nila ng focus. Okay, so this is the treatment area. So, change na robe. Tapos
meron po kaming disposable ito. If you want to.
Na underwear.
Apo, ito po yung restroom po.
Okay, restroom is here. And then this is the shower. Mayroong so sa daytime meron tong view. Sayang, no? Para mas masarap talaga pag sunset. Ito yung treatment room, massage bed. So we're about to start our massage. Ito yung view ko. Yung buhangin. That was very, very relaxing. Sabi ko, pinipilit ko labanan yung antok ko eh. Sabi ko, hindi ako matutulog, sayang yung binayad. Mahal-mahal eh. Parang kung katamba sa Maynila, parang nakasampung masahe na ako. Dito isa lang. Pero sobrang kakaibang experience. One for the most na naman. So, good morning! Araw na tayo agad. Hindi ako usually gumigising na ganito kaaga para sa ganito. So we're going to the lagoon for doon tayo magbibilad and doon na rin tayo mag-late lunch. We'll have some pizza there. Kasi hanggang alas 3 lang yung pizza doon. Okay? Let's go! Ayan, so maganda dito sa club car natin. It's solar powered. So gagamitin mo siya magdamag sa gabi. Nakapark mo siya magdamag sa umaga. No need to worry. Silipin din natin yung yung paggawaan nila, yung greens nila, where they grow their greens. Ito na, madadaanan natin. So this is where they grow their greens. Ayan. That's where they grow their greens. Lalaki ng pecha. Nagpapakinggan. And they also have their
basil, arugula.
Yeah, herbs. Meron din sila mga ornamental plants. They use that also to decorate. They grow it here also. Ginagamit nila to decorate their rooms, their facilities. Yeah. Okay, so ito yung restaurant. And then diretso sa beach. Okay, so dito tayo sa labas po. Alfresco dining. That way, it's much safer and mas mafe-feel mo yung vibe ng dagat. And you can hear the ocean waves falling in. Alright, so we're on our way to the shore again from Marcasita para tayo ay mag-sunset cruise. Basically, yung ship will just go from one end to the other end nung isla. Tapos konting cocktails. Enjoy tayo. So there's our boat with Kuya Peter. Hi Kuya! Kamusta?
po sir, kumusta po?
Mabuti. Wah! Okay. Parang graduation rites. So ngayon mga ka-treasure, we're sailing across Sulu Sea. So dito pinakamalapit yung Pabalikan Island where Amantulo is. And right now, we're sunset sailing. Guys, sobrang bilis pala ng mga pagong. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung mga itim na yan. Ayan, contrary to popular belief, ba't ako pumipuyok? Ayan, dami. Ayan, mga pagong yan. Ang bilis nila. So sa land lang sila pala mabagal. Although land turtles, ayan pa. Land turtles are called tortoises. And then kapag dagat, it's called a turtle. There. Turtle. Mga ganitong moments, parang ayaw mong bumaba agad yung araw. Sumo-prolong yung bawat minuto, bawat segundo na nandito ko sa sailboat na to. So I guess ito yung pinaka-peak ng sunset cruise natin. Ito yung orgasm part. Cheers to the sunset. Cheers. Alright, so sakto pabalik na tayo ng shore from our sunset cruise. Ayan, so nagsiset up na rin sila somewhere there nung dinner natin. Under the pale half moonlight. Yeah, and then the marmalade skies right there. So ayan yung ating setup. Alright, so last day in paradise. Day 4. Gumising talaga tayo na maaga para sulitin yung natitira nating oras dito. Last look sa kasita. Ito na tayo sa shore. So, habang nasa trail ako, may bumisita. Hello. Okay. Sige. Oh, hindi na kita guguluhin. Last few moments para ma-experience natin fully yung dagat. Alam niyo naman, simula pagdating, halos wala na talagang tao. Mas lalo pa talagang walang tao ngayon. Kasi nga, ang daming napauwi agad dahil dun sa nangyari na hindi kapalad-palad na pangyayari. Alam niyo na kung ano yung tinutukoy ko. Anyway, ayun. Kita mo, solo natin yung dagat. As in, ako lang talaga ngayon. This morning. Ayan, walang tao. Look. So, salamat po. Maraming salamat mga ka-Jorgers sa pagsama sa akin sa ilang araw na yun. In this video, I tried to compress it as much as I can. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video para lagi po kayo updated sa mga bagong videos. It's Jeremy. Always remember, this is Jeremy. The more you eat, the more you love! Ayan, balik face mask, balik face shield na naman.
Gaya mo kasi doon. You said Jeremy.
Okay guys.
Take care.
Bye.
Got me in overdrive.